Hey everyone. About 4 months ago, I was terminated from the YouTube partner program for reused content, and I made all of the necessary changes and I reapplied for monetization. The kicker is, I was still rejected for the same reused content reason. And if you've been in this situation, it can be severely frustrating considering they don't even tell you which videos they consider reused. Well, after 4 months of reapplying, I am successfully back in the YouTube partner program, thanks to an appeal video, if you can believe it, all by using these 3 tips I'm about to share with you. And at the very least, can save you a few bucks from going to Fiverr and trying to hire somebody to peel through your channel. So also feel free to comment below and I'll try to look over your channel and see if I can see anything that jumps out at me. I like to view this as a general rule of thumb, that if your channel is getting flagged for reused content and you're trying to locate the source, go through all of your videos and try to prove they are yours with an emphasis on seeing if your voice or face is present in the videos. So for these videos right here, you'll notice that I have my face on some of the thumbnails, and I do my best to try to have like a transparent camera that I'm doing right here for this video. And if you have to go through making an appeal, you can just look at any video, you'll see my face and my voice is in them. These next 2 tips kind of apply mostly if you're creating an appeal video, having already been denied, but are still very useful when trying to make sure you'll get accepted or approved. This tip is to make sure there's a clear theme for what your channel is about. Personally, I went on to describe my channel as being gaming, entertainment, and how-to videos, which I expressed in my appeal video. But if you had to choose only one category, then saw videos that seemed random or all over the place, they might think you're just taking content from somewhere else with no theme and plastering all over your channel. You're a content creator, which means your ideas come from somewhere. Try to do yourself a favor and write down these ideas and try to use as much detail as you want, because not only does it help with video production, but it also acts like an alibi or a log of your ideas with a timestamp to help keep track of your ideas. And then you can just reveal this entire list that you have in an appeal video and say, hey, look at this. Here's a timestamp. Here's what all my videos entail, and it just further asserts the proof that your content is yours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and best of luck to getting into the YouTube Partner Program.